Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Ollie Ace, and I'm a Builderall affiliate. What I wanted to share with you is one of my top tips to ensure that you're in a better position to make a sale. So, all of us are, here trying to promote the tool either as an affiliate or we're trying to promote the tool as a user. Now, if you're smart, you want to be doing both, right? So you want to be working in the value of Builderall as a user, and then you want to basically work in the bonus piece, which is the affiliate program, right? Well, if you're not doing that, you may want to start rethinking how you position your proposition when you are approaching your prospects or your leads. Now, I know there are a whole load of people there that are basically going for a whole load of leads and hoping that they convert, right? Well, think about this, okay? How much thought has gone into ensuring that the leads that you're getting are of the right quality? And what I mean by that is it a case of you just basically getting a whole load of leads from a whole load of different niches and then hoping they convert? Well, after speaking to a whole load of people, I know that quite a lot of people, that is the approach that they're taking. And, the question is then asked, why aren't my leads converting? Duh! The reason why your leads aren't converting is because you probably aren't targeting. Okay? And when I say targeted, I don't just mean, right, going after a market. Okay? Because although it's good to, kind of select an area of the market, okay, because that's what I like to say, there are areas of markets, right? There's different areas of market. You have your want to be millionaire market, you have your entrepreneurial market, you have your small business market. So that's what I mean by market. But when you think about it, those markets are still of a reasonable size, right? And what you really want to do, if you really want success and give yourself a better chance of conversion, you want to kind of streamline that a little bit more. All right, you want to basically get in a little deeper than just a market, because a market is too big. It's too big. That's in my opinion anyway. So my advice would be to actually start profiling niches. Okay, because niches is slightly different to market. Market is a wider area. Okay, it's a wide area where niches are actually smaller areas within that market, if that makes sense. So this is what my top tip would be, is to basically target a niche. Be quite specific in terms of who you're targeting, because if you do that, the chances of conversion has increased. And the reason why it's increased is because you have now profiled the market, and you've established by doing your profiling. And when I say profiling, what I mean is that you've done a little research in terms of what your chosen niche is and how it could benefit from Builderall. Okay, so I'm talking Builderall as a whole. I'm talking as Builderall as a platform. So, attracting those people that would use the platform. And I'm also talking about people that would use the platform as an affiliate. Okay, because as you know, a lot of us are either going after people that want to be part of the affiliate program and not necessarily be a user, and then we're going to be and then other people would want to probably target the users who are already using the platform, and then adding the affiliate compensation plan as a bonus. And that's my preferred method. That's what I do, and that's how I position myself in front of my chosen niche. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to share with you guys, is that you need to be specific. You need to drill down. Don't just cover a market, because this is where a lot of time can be wasted, not to mention a lot of money. All right, so you need to be specific and you need to profile. Okay, you need to do a little bit of research into the niche that you've chosen. And an example of a niche would be, say, the entrepreneurial market. Okay, the entrepreneurial market is perfect, and this is the market I go after, because what you can do with the entrepreneurial market is that you can start to identify what business they're a part of, and then you can start carrying out a needs analysis, and that's going to be left for another video. But once you find out what business they're a part of, and then you find out how could Builderall as a platform could potentially benefit them and their business, then you are onto a winner and your chances of conversion is extremely high. Wouldn't you agree? Anyway, guys, I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video. So if you haven't already, all I'm asking is just give it a little think, okay? Just think about what I'm saying here and see if that could add value to the way you are currently positioning Builderall. Anyway, this is your boy Ollie Ace. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll check you on my next video.